Okay guys, how are you? I've got today the unboxing of my new custom wheel set. In this box I've got all of the components like the spokes, the nipples, the hubs themselves. And on the big box over here I got the actual rims. So let's see what we got here. Here, much easier than the other one. Okay, this is nice stuff. Here are the Campagnolo Record Hubs. So, as you can see them, they come in their very nice and neat boxes. So, these hubs come only in 32 spoke hole counts. Okay. Here you can see it, Campagnolo Record. It's the freewheel, titanium. These are very nice hubs, especially for the price they come in. I got the pair like for $230, and they're about 311 grams for the pair, which is pretty light. If you compare them with the Durace ones, they're about 50 grams lighter and like $50 cheaper. These are truly nice hubs. The only problem with them is that they only come in 32 hole. I guess simply Campagnolo doesn't want to cannibalize their rim lineup, because these are like top of the line hubs, as good as anything that comes in a Shamal or in a Bura Ultra. So if they sell these with, I don't know, 24 hole counts, then people will begin to build awesome and cheap rim custom wheels that are comparable to the top of the line stuff from Campagnolo. So I guess that's why they are 32. For me, 32 is right, because I have a classic steel frame mounted with modern components, so it looks nice, it's nice, durable, and it's perfect stuff for my bike tour next September through California. So here are the hubs. I'm really happy with them. They're really beautiful. Included in the package, they also come with the skewers, which is pretty nice. Most hubs don't include the skewers, and these are Campagnolo skewers. Here's the other one. And these are very good skewers. They have a really good closing force. They tighten really securely the wheel to the frame and to avoid any types of accidents. So I'm actually pretty happy and excited to build with these hubs. Oh wow, this is nice. These are quite nice. So here we've got the Veloflex tires. They're Italian made, they're handmade. They are 25 mil tires, 320 TPI construction. They're really supple, they're open tubular construction. And as you can see, they've got the little tan sidewalls, which is nice for a vintage steel frame. Pairs it nicely. I got this from eBay, from a seller in New Jersey. In Europe, they sell for about 25 euros. In the US, they're about $40. They're still pretty good price for their quality, like their TPI count. Open tubular, they're like comparable to Continentals 4000 or Vittoria Corsa. Obviously they're not as nice or like all around high performance as a Vittoria, but they're still pretty good stuff, pretty neat stuff. So here they are, Veloflex, handmade in Italy. Let's see what's in this envelope. I guess these are the remaining wheel components, spokes and nipples. Let's open this and see. So yeah, these come from Bike Hub store in North Carolina. They have pretty neat stuff there for custom wheel building. These are the remaining Sapim laser J-bin spokes, all black, and all of the different lengths for the wheels. I use a cool calculator. I can show you guys the link. It has like a database. It's online. It's got a database for different hub and rim combinations, so it makes life a lot easier in that department. I still have to see how it goes in the wheel building. I hope I chose the right lengths. I have like 289, 290, 290, and 287 for the non-drive side. So yeah, here are all of the spokes. Here are the nipples. They are Sapim Polyax. Oh, I hope this is a small bag. Okay, so it's 72 nipples for 64 spokes. I hope that they don't break and that this is more than enough to lace the wheels. And they're nice. I'm building an all black wheel set with 10 sidewall tires. See what's in this envelope. I guess these are the remaining wheel components, spokes and nipples. Let's open this and see. So yeah, these come from Bike Hub store in North Carolina. They have pretty neat stuff there for custom wheel building. These are the remaining Sapim laser J-bin spokes, all black, and all of the different lengths for the wheels. I use a cool calculator. I can show you guys the link. It has like a database. It's online. It's got a database for different hub and rim combinations, so it makes life a lot easier in that department. I still have to see how it goes in the wheel building. I hope I chose the right lengths. I have like 289, 290, 290, and 287 for the non-drive side. So yeah, here are all of the spokes. Here are the nipples. They are Sapim Polyax. Oh, I hope this is a small bag. Okay, so it's 72 nipples for 64 spokes. I hope that they don't break and that this is more than enough to lace the wheels. And they're nice. I'm building an all black wheel set with 10 sidewall tires. Okay, now for the big box. I think this is gonna be a little bit more complicated to open, but I think I'll cut over here. It'll be alright. So yeah, so these are the rims. Final component in the wheel assembly. Largest component. I got these from Pro Bike Kit in California, and I'll show them in a second so you can see them. Wow, they're light. They're very light. So yeah. Okay, so these are HED Belgium rims. I actually ordered them all black, but they came in with a traditional silver brake track. Like, I really don't mind them that much. Like, the black ones are nice at the beginning, but the black part will start to fade here in the brake track. So this is more traditional. They look absolutely awesome. I'll show you guys up close. Here we got the HED logo and the Belgium logo. They look really, really nice. Like, they look very high quality. They're absolutely gorgeous to behold. Like, I'll show it to you from the top. Like, from the top they look like they look really nicely machined. Nice logo. The anodize is like, has a really nice texture. I'm very happy with these rims, although they're not the black ones, full black ones I ordered. I don't mind. Like, still, I'm in Colombia, and they're in California, so getting stuff, it's a one-way highway. Like, I cannot, it's really hard and expensive to get things back, so I'll simply have to do with what I get. I'm still really happy with the quality of the rims. These are the 23 mil width rims, which are very nice because they give you more like air volume in the tire. They make it wider, and that makes for a more comfortable ride and for better handling of the bicycle. So yeah, here you have it, guys. Here are the rims, the tires, the hubs, and the spokes and nipples. So I'll show you guys later how they build up and how they ride. Have a nice day.